In this video, you're going to learn how to become a funded crypto trader in just 15 days, getting up to a $100,000 account, and we're going to share the tips and strategies how to do it. I'm excited to share this journey with you, so let's jump right in. Many aspiring traders, especially crypto traders, actually struggle with the complex nature of crypto and also crypto trading itself. They may feel overwhelmed of where to start and also how to get capital to start trading properly. You may see good traders who have effective strategies, but they struggle to get the capital to really start making good profits. Now, you may have heard stories about people making fortunes in crypto trading, and some of them stories might be true, but the fact is it's very difficult. If you don't have the right capital or the right trader mentors and strategies, it's very easy to get lost. There's so much information out there, and to make sense of it all is quite difficult. So what we'll do today, we'll break down the step-by-step process to getting that funding account. We'll go through all the trading strategies, through the trading rules, and also how to start your trading challenges. So first, let's talk strategy. Before you start trading for a crypto firm, you need to define your strategy and see what works best for you. What works for your friend might not work for you, and vice versa. Now, once you have your strategy down, make sure you stick to it throughout your trading challenge. Don't flick from one strategy to another, focus on one and make sure you master it. Now, with your strategy in place, please read through all the rules on your chosen trading platform and make sure that you aim for a 15% profit target on a 2-phase evaluation process, which will take a minimum of 15 days. So when trading, you cannot lose more than 10% of your capital in total, 5% in a single day, and 3% on a single trade. You also need to set a stop loss for every trade, and these are the main rules, but please read the FAQs to get a full view of everything. After reviewing those rules, you can then choose the amount for your funded application. Here at Haro Trader, we have accounts from $5,000 to $100,000, and the one you choose depends on the profits that you expect to achieve. For example, if your trading strategy usually yields around about the 5% mark on a 100K account in a month, then you can request a withdrawal for $3,500. We'll also refund your challenge fee as well. So set achievable targets. Aim for a certain percentage of profits each week, track your performance along the way, and celebrate those wins. Also remember, learn from the losses and maintain your discipline. Discipline is the backbone of your trading. Without it, you're more likely to make emotional decisions which could lead to costly mistakes. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint, so keep that in mind. So if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more trading tips and strategies. Also, be sure to leave us a comment. We love to hear from you. We love the feedback. We like to know what our community thinks and also what their trading ideas are. You might have some great insights. We want to hear about them. Make sure you follow, hit like, subscribe, and we can go on this trading journey together. We'll be here with more videos to help everybody make sure that they have the best trading journey and maybe become a funded trader too. See you in the next one.